Tired of renting? Ready to own your first home? Welcome to West Main Towns in Sanford, North Carolina, where your dream of home ownership becomes a reality. Here, everything is new and it's all yours. Imagine personalizing your home with your choice of cabinets and flooring. The open concept design offers a modern touch you won't find in older homes. You'll love the oversized kitchen island, perfect for meal prep and entertaining. And guess what? Every single appliance, even the washer and dryer, is included. Convenience is key at West Main Towns. From grocery stores to dining, everything you need is just minutes away. Plus, with quick access to US 1, 421, and 501, commuting to Raleigh or Fayetteville is a breeze. Explore Sanford's charm with local hotspots like the vibrant Sanford Farmers Market, the scenic San Lee Park, or a number of downtown shops and restaurants. Imagine weekends spent exploring the local parks, enjoying community events, and discovering new favorite spots. Sanford offers a perfect blend of small-town charm and modern conveniences. Ready to put an end to renting? Schedule a visit to West Main Towns today and make your dream home a reality. We can't wait to welcome you home.